So, good evening, dear students and our esteemed participants. I welcome you all to our webinar on Raman Kant Munjal Scholarships 2023, a joint initiative by Raman Kant Munjal Foundation and Hero FinCorp. So, if you're willing to pursue an undergraduate course in finance-related streams, stay tuned to this webinar as this opportunity might turn out to be a great help for you. To talk more about this scholarship, we have Mr. Ashish Jha, Chief Content Strategist, Content and Communications at Body for Study. Welcome, sir.
Thank you, Shruti.
We also have with us Ms. Monica Maheshwari, who is the project manager for this program and who will be highlighting the application process for this program. Welcome, Monica.
Thank you, Shruti.
Yeah, so without wasting any further time, I would like Ashish sir to take the things forward. Ashish sir, over to you.
Thank you, Shruti. And welcome to all the students who are watching us live today. We are going to talk about a unique scholarship program, which is Raman Kant Munjal Scholarships 2023. So under this program, students who are pursuing finance-related graduation level courses. So that courses might be BBA, BFIA, BCom, BMS, BA Economics, or Bachelor's in Accounting and Finance, which is called BAF, or BSc Statistics. So any of these courses, if you are pursuing, you are eligible to apply for this scholarship program, provided your family income is less than 4 lakh rupees and you have scored 80% marks in class 10 and class 12 both. So ये जो scholarship program है, ये सारे जो finance से related courses कर रहे हैं graduation level पे बच्चे, whether it is Bachelor's of Business Administration, Bachelor of Financial Investment and Analysis, which is called BFIA, या BCom कर रहे हैं या BAF कर रहे हैं, तो इन सारे बच्चों के लिए ये स्कॉलरशिप है जिसके अंदर बच्चों को 40,000 से लेके 5 लाख तक का जो स्कॉलरशिप है वो फाइनेंशियल असिस्टेंस पर ईयर 3 साल तक, अगले 3 years तक उनके ग्रेजुएशन को पूरा करने के लिए दिया जाएगा. So the scholarship is for 3 years complete duration of your graduation, and every year you will be provided financial assistance ranging between 40,000 to 5 lakh depending on the expenses that you incur during your educational program. Now this initiative has been taken by Raman Kant Munjal Foundation, which is part of Hero FinCorp. And under this program, as I told you, students pursuing courses in finance-related bachelor's level program are being provided scholarships ranging from 40,000 to 5 lakh, depending on their actual expenses on their educational program. The second most important eligibility criteria, as I already mentioned, is that you must have scored 80% marks in class 10 and 12 both to be eligible to apply for this scholarship program. And your family income must be less than 4 lakh rupees. So if you fulfill these 3 criteria, you have entered or taken admission into the first year of your 3-year program. You have scored 80% in class 10th and class 12th, and your family income is less than 4 lakh. If you fulfill these 3 criteria, you are eligible to apply for this scholarship program, this unique scholarship program, I must say, because the scholarship amount goes up to 5 lakh rupees, which takes care of entire all the expenses which you incur during your educational program. Now, while you once you understand the eligibility criteria well, and if you are eligible, then you must come to this our page, Buddy for Study. Once you enter buddyforstudy.com, you will log into our page. From there, you can just search Raman Kant Munjal in the search box. So I'm just going to show you how to search this scholarship on our page. So once you log into buddyforstudy.com. So I'm just on the home page here. So once I log in, there is a search bar, and you can just enter Raman Kant. So this is a keyword, Raman Kant. You will be able to see the first scholarship that is appearing is Raman Kant Munjal Scholarship 2023. Once you click there, you will reach to the page. You just need to go through the eligibility criteria here. The benefits are written over here. Once you understand that you are eligible for this scholarship program, you just need to collect all the documents required to upload or required to be uploaded while you when you fill the application form. So the documents include mark sheets of your class 10 and 12, because that will only show that how much percentage of marks you have secured. Second is Aadhaar card, which is mandatory to apply to this scholarship program. PAN card and Aadhaar cards of parents. Also the income proof of your parents, so that we understand the income annual income of your family. Apart from that, you also will need to upload the details of your bank account, so that if you're selected for this scholarship program, you are the funds are transferred to your bank account directly. You will also need to share the college fee receipts, because as I told you earlier, the benefits is in the range of 40,000 to 5 lakh rupees. Now that the scholarship that is disbursed to you, if you are selected for this scholarship program, will depend on how much expenses you incur during the your educational program. So for that, you will have to show the proof of your expenses during your education. So the steps are very simple to apply for this scholarship program. Once you have collected all the documents, once you have understand the eligibility criteria, you just need to go to the apply now section, which is in the bottom of this scholarship page that I just showed you. And you can just go to apply now button, click here. You will need to register on Buddy for Study, either via your Gmail or Facebook login, or via a fresh email ID. So once you register, you will again be redirected to the apply now button. But after clicking there, you will go to the application page, and from there, my colleague Monica will be explaining the application process for you to understand what are the steps and how do you fill those fields in the application form. So it's basically, the application form is divided into 4 or 5 parts, wherein first you need to give the personal information. In the second section, you need to give your educational information. Third section is regarding your family income and understanding about your socio-economic background. Fourth section is the document upload section, and there is a little more information, subjective information, that you will need to share towards the end of the application form. So if Monica, I will request Monica to take students through the application process so that they understand it better.
Thank you so much, sir. So I'm sharing my screen. Shruti, please let me know once you're able to see my screen.
Yeah, sure.
Hope it is visible.
Yes, it's visible now.
Yeah, so this is a page of our scholarship on Buddy for Study platform, which Ashish already guided you how to search on Buddy for Study. So you have to just click on apply now. If you are already registered on Buddy for Study portal, then you have to just click on apply now and fill your credentials here. Otherwise, you can sign up also on Buddy for Study. First, you have to register, then you can log in on this page. So once you log in, then you will be able to see the application form here. You have to just click on the start application button to check the application form. So here our first step is students' personal details. So in personal details, you have to share these information like your name, your contact details, date of birth, your family income details. So in personal details, you have to capture these things and your address as well. So once you'll fill that form, then you have to go to that second option. That is education details, because you must be pursuing in the first year of the graduation. Then you have to fill the details of your graduation details here. All the details. Request everyone to fill the correct details so that you will be passed during the scrutinizing process. And you have to fill your total fees here, like including your other expenses as well. It's not only the tuition fees, you have to fill your total college fees, 1 year fees here. Yeah. Now you have to update your class 12 marks in this section. Then your class 10th percentage as well. Then go to save button. Third step is family members details. You have to update the details of your earning members here. If your mother and father both are earning members, then you have to fill the details of your both parents. Otherwise, you have to fill the details of your earning earning member, either mother or father. That's the documents required for this application, as Assis sir has already guided you. So these are the documents which we require for this scholarship. So we have given some helplines here also. In a student ID proof, you can also update the bona fide certificate, letter from the college as well. The college university fee receipt, you have to include the fee receipt of tuition fees, hostel fees, mess charges, stationery, transport, all the receipts you can make a PDF and upload there. So here you have to make a PDF of your mother and father, both parents' PAN card. Likewise, you have to upload Aadhaar card of your both parents here. Family income proof, you can upload any of the document from this. Either you can upload ITR, income certificate, or the salary slip of a salaried parent. And here you have to upload bank account statement as well of your mother and
I hope disability certificate is not a mandatory field, Monica.
No, it is not a mandatory field. Actually, I have selected yes in the personal details. That's why it is coming here.
Okay.
So in bank details section, you have to fill the details of your account, so that if you will be awarded for the scholarship, then this account details will be for the disbursement of the scholarship. So you have to be very careful by filling the details of the banks here. And in more about yourself, we have captured some subjective questions. So you have to tell about yourself, your career aspirations in brief here. And also we have at least there should be a minimum 100 words minimum in your career aspiration subjective answer. And like this also we have captured this should be a minimum of 100-word answer. So like this, you have to fill your application form and click on the save and continue option. And then you have to agree all on these terms and conditions. And once you agree on these terms and conditions, you can preview your application form, and then you can submit the application form like.
Thank you.
Thank you.
So once it is previewed, you understand all the information that you have provided in the application form. You can then submit the application form, and after submission of your application form, it goes to the shortlisting round. Once it is shortlisted, it goes to the next level wherein an interaction will be taking place, and after that, the final selection. Yeah. So I hope we have explained the scholarship program. Again, just to recap whatever we suggested here to the students. This scholarship program is for those students who are specifically pursuing finance related courses at their graduation level, those students who have already taken admission into the first year of their 3-year degree program. So any student who is pursuing BBA or BFIA or BCom or BA in economics, BSc in statistics. So anything related to economics, finance at graduation level makes you eligible for this scholarship program. You must have scored 80% marks in class 10th and 12th, and your family income should be less than 4 lakh. These 3 simple criteria And if you qualify these 3 criteria, you must apply for this scholarship program. It's a wonderful opportunity, unique opportunity, I would say, because the scholarship amount is very high as compared to the other scholarship programs. It's between 40,000 to 5 lakh, depending completely on the expenses that you incur during your program. Any question, Shruti? If you have received, we can we can answer that now.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. We've received a few questions from our students who have joined us live on our Facebook channel. So Mayank Rana is asking, sir, can I application for BTech? Is it applicable for BTech students as well?
No, it is not applicable for BTech student. As I clearly told you that this scholarship program is only for students who are pursuing finance related courses at their graduation, in their graduation program, and the students who have already taken admission into the first year of their graduation program. The courses for which the scholarship will be provided includes BBA, BA Economics, then BFIA, then BBI, Bachelor in Banking and Insurance, then BAF, Bachelors in Accounting and Finance, and BSc Statistics. So also BMS, a Bachelor of Management Studies. So if you are pursuing any of these courses, you are eligible to apply for this program.
Thank you, sir. Ketan Varia was asking a similar question. He said, can I apply for MBBS? So Ketan, sir has already informed.
There are other scholarship opportunities there on buddyforstudy.com. You can just go through, search a little more, and you will be able to find those scholarships available now.
Also, Deepen Shah is asking, मैंने orphan गलती से select किया था, अभी change कैसे करूँ उसको in the application form?
Yes, so I'll just request Monica to respond to that.
Yeah, so I guess we have already shared a helpline number or email ID as well. You please connect us on that number. We will be updating the details as per your convenience.
And or students can also drop a mail. There is a helpline number and ID that is given in the bottom of that scholarship program page that I just showed you, which is scholarships@rkmfoundation.org. Shruti, if you can just put this email ID in the Facebook Live comment section, that will probably help students.
Sure, sir. Sure. I've already added it.
Right. I hope it's very simple scholarship program, and it's not complex. Only 3 eligibility criteria. Your family income should be less than 40 lakh. You must have scored 80% marks in class 10 and 12 both. And you must be pursuing finance related courses at your graduation level. You must have taken admission in the first year. So if you fulfill all these eligibility criteria, you must apply for this scholarship program. It's a unique opportunity for you because the scholarship amount is here very good, taking care of all your educational expenses. You just need to share during the application process the documentary proof of your expenses that you have incurred or you are going to incur, right? So based on that only the scholarship amount will be decided and disbursed directly to your bank.
So thank you so much, sir, for highlighting this useful information about this scholarship program. And thank you to Monica too for highlighting the application process. In addition to what Ashish sir and Monica have highlighted, the last date to apply for this scholarship is 15 September. So I would request all the eligible candidates to please go ahead and apply for the scholarship as soon as possible. Please do not wait for the last date to come. So with this, I would like to now end this session. Thank you so much, everyone, for joining.
Thank you. Thank you. And all the best for everybody who is watching us live, and also to those who will be applying for this scholarship program. Thank you.